Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and today I'm going to be taking a look at the Avocado Toast Palette by BH Cosmetics. I am so excited about this. I've been eyeballing this for a while, and my husband got me the Weekend Vibes set from BH Cosmetics. So I'm going to be taking a look at this first. It is the Avocado Toast Palette. It is so cute. Here's the avocado, here's the toast. Has this holographic writing here and information on the back. This is cruelty free and vegan. Slide it out of there, and this is what the palette itself looks like. Again, there's information on the back here. There is the protective sleeve and a mirror, and these are the colors in here. And it's holographic here. You got your avocado and toast up here. It is part of the Weekend Vibes collection, which comes with a bunch of brunch themed makeup, which is super cool. I'm really excited to get the rest of the package as well. So for today, I did a green look on my birthday. We went to the drive-in with some friends, and so I'm going to show you how to do this pink look later. Right now, I'm going to swatch this palette. I'm just going to cross this way and down. The first color here is called Avocado, and it is a champagne, sort of champagne color here. Then we've got Pink Salt, which I'm wearing on my eyes today. So it's a soft pink matte, like a soft salmon pink matte, or light salmon, I don't know. See how it goes on really light, but it is buildable. And I was able to build up the color on my lids, you can see there. Then we have Expensive, which is this pinky with a brown undertone, almost a light copper shimmer. I'm excited to use that one. Then we've got Spicy, which is sort of a greenish brown shimmer. See there, it's pretty dark. Now I've used this palette now twice, and I just feel like there's so much more that I can do, and as I swatch the colors, I'm really excited to use some of these colors that I haven't used yet. Lemon Pepper right here. This is a neat kind of shimmery gold with sort of, I don't know what the undertone is. It's like, there's like notes of bright gold and notes of like brown gold. I don't know. It's a cool color. Then Avo Toast here is this avocado green. And it's a matte, and again it starts a little bit light, but you can build till it's the color that you see in the pan, and also they are very blendable. Then Ripe, which is right here, and it goes on a little bit light. That was number 1 swatch, and here's 2. It goes on light but even. Here's 2. I'm kind of smoothing it out though. There we go. And then Haas, which is right here. It's sort of a brownish gold with a little bit of an olivey undertone. So pretty. Shimmer there with that one. And then we move on to Over Easy, which is this I mean, honestly, it's a yolky color yellow. And it starts a little bit light. And we're going to do a second swatch over the top to build. It really builds. Then we have Superfood, which is an olive color. Now that's a dark enough matte that it shows up really well. That's the second swatch there. Then we have Paprika, which is a reddish brown color here. Mid-tone. And again, I will show you how it really builds to be a really saturated color. Then we have Pit here, which is a dark warm brown. That's dark enough, just one. But here's two. Then we've got Green Juice. This is a sage green shimmer. We have Guac, which is a mid green with a little bit of a blue tone to it. That's one swatch. And here's two. Okay, so then we have Extra, which is a darker green shimmer. I love all the different green, olive, brown shimmer tones that are in this palette. And last we have Holy Moly, which is black. Although I feel like, and I don't know if it's because I'm looking at it in this palette, I feel like it's a little bit of a brown tone black, but I could be wrong. So there's all the colors. And I really love all the colors in this palette here. I love all those colors. I've used this palette twice now, and swatching the colors, I'm excited to use some of the colors that I didn't use before. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I did to get this look and which colors I tried. And I'm actually going to start with Pink Salt. I am very curious about this Pink Salt color. It's a very light, sort of salmon-y color. I think that's really, really pretty. Hey, Onyx. My cat Onyx just walked by. He's out there. We take him out on a leash to walk him, and he's so cute when he goes. Onyx is the smartest cat I've ever met. He actually creeps me out. I straight up saw him yesterday. He jumped up. We have pocket doors in our house, or one pocket door, and he jumped up on the door, grabbed, stuck his paws between the end of the door and the frame, and both his arms, and pulled and used his arm strength and opened the door himself. So we can't keep him out with the pocket door because he can open it, and he just jumps up and opens it. So, and then today, we trained him to walk on a leash, or he trained us to take him out on a leash. I really don't even know at this point. But I'll get his little harness, and I'll open it where the head opening is, and I'll just do this, and he'll actually pop his own little head through. And then I'll help stick his arm in and clip it and everything. And then once I get the leash on, then he starts going. Like, he starts prancing out the door. And today he was sitting outside underneath a tree, and I was like sitting there for a long time. He'd been out for like 2 hours, and I wanted to come in and film, and I was kind of tired of sitting there, and he was just sitting there. I don't know what he was doing, but he was obviously just resting. And I said, hey, do you want to think about going inside? And as soon as I said inside, he popped up and went inside with me. He brought me inside. So he knows inside. He also knows downstairs. So if we're up here, I'm up in my office right now, and if I say downstairs, he will know that we're headed downstairs. He also knows the word treat or treats, but a lot of cats or other pets know that word as well. So let's see. I don't know what I want to do with this yellow over easy. I want to use this yellow somehow. I'm going to go on, I like the pink. It's really soft. It's very buildable, and I really like that. And it's pretty pigmented. It's a soft color, but it's pretty pigmented. I'm just putting this over easy shade on the inside of my lid, and then up into the crease, and kind of blending it into the crease right here. And then I'm going to take Paprika, and I'm going to use the same brush that I used pink salt, and I'm going to deepen up the edge here. And since this is kind of a soft look, I'm going to sort of keep it rounded here. I wiped off the excess, and then what I'm going to do is take a little pink salt and just kind of blend this. So yeah, so speaking of my super smart cat, so what he is started to do now, and I'm really afraid because I think he's going to end up getting outside, but he started jumping up to the back door and grabbing the doorknob and trying to turn it, and it jiggles. And I can hear him do that when he's doing it. Whew. Yeah, I'm afraid he's just gonna he's already gotten out of the house because he can open the bathroom windows if they're not latched. So we have to be really careful and make sure they're all the way latched, or he can open the windows, get out on the roof, and get out. He's done that. Yeah, pretty creepy. Okay, so I like what I have so far, but I want to do a little shine, and I want to use some of this lemon pepper here on my lid. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm gonna leave it mostly in the center, but I'm sort of blending it in with the other colors here. I really like that lemon pepper. It's like a goldy, there's almost like there's like a really bright yellowy gold, and then there's kind of almost a brownish gold tone to it as well. Okay, so it's sort of a soft pink and yellow kind of look. I'm gonna go underneath with the paprika shade actually. That was Onyx getting into some dishes or something downstairs. I don't know what he's getting into, but yeah, we had a bowl of blueberries on the counter. He got into there and started taking the blueberries out and eating them and playing with them and stuff. So yeah, he will get into, he's curious about everything. He wants to know about everything, absolutely everything. He has to touch everything. I don't know, I've never met a cat like him before. I mean, I know there's cats that are really smart and there's cats that are curious, but I've never known a cat that like learns words, learns how to get into things, that kind of stuff. Yeah, pretty crazy. Okay, I'm going to blend that out with a little bit of the pink salt. I'm gonna go with avocado for the inside here. And I'm gonna bring it down and up just a little. Now for this For this look, I really want to just do like a white matte up on top to highlight. But I might just leave it for now how it is, because I do want to just use this palette. But I like that, so I'm going to finish my eyes and be right back. So what are my final thoughts about the Avocado Toast Palette? I love, 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 love it. I absolutely love it. I think it's a good deal for the price. I feel like BH Cosmetics in general is a good value for your price because their price points are pretty low, medium to low, and they do have sales. And sometimes they have really, really good sales where stuff is 75% off even. Right now, the weekend vibes I think are on sale, or they were on sale last time I checked, but I think it's not a very big sale. It might be 10 or 20% off, but still, you know, check it out if you're interested in this. I would recommend this to people that, you know, if you're looking for something green, but not just green, something green with other options, green with the brown, green with the pinks and the yellow. I mean, that's what I really think this palette is for. It's not just for green lovers, but it's for, you know, if you want to experiment with these different colors, and some of these colors are unique colors, you know, like the olive shimmers and stuff. I think that is really cool. I love some of these brown green shimmer colors, this dark and the sage shimmer. I really think that's cool, especially with all the other colors together. So if this intrigues you, if this color scheme intrigues you, I think it's definitely worth picking up. I am a big fan of BH Cosmetics. Typically I've never had a problem with any of their stuff, and especially a lot of their newer stuff I've found myself really, really enjoying. Their shimmers are always good. Their mattes are usually good, and I feel like the mattes in here are kind of nice because they are that buildable matte. If you're interested in a soft matte that builds, especially, I mean, look at these colors are very vibrant. So you can build them up to vibrant, but they're also not so pigmented right off the bat that they're hard to blend. They're very easy to blend. So yeah, I love this palette, and I'm looking forward to getting the other stuff, and I'll do a video on that when I get that as well. So let me know what you think of the Avocado Toast palette. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you have it? What do you think of BH Cosmetics? I'm a big fan. I have a lot of BH Cosmetics stuff, simply because, like I said, I think their quality is really good for the price, and often you can get things at a steal, like really just a handful of dollars at times. So that is it for today's video. Be on the lookout for my next weekend vibes video that I'm going to do here in a little bit. And as always, thanks for watching.